Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Philips in-ear 1000 series true wireless earphones. So now let's have a look at the box itself. On the side here you can see that it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, which is great. It has a battery life of 3 plus 9 hours, which means 3 on the earphones themselves, along with 9 additional hours on the charging case, which is pretty low when it comes to true wireless earphones. It also comes with a comfortable fit as per the company, and mic and control buttons. At the back here we don't have a lot of information. It tells us that it has smart pairing and it has a small handy charging case. On the side here we get a few more specs. We get the frequency range or response, which is from 20 to 20,000 Hertz. The decibel level is 100 and it has an impedance of 16 ohms, so it should be able to be powered by your tablets and your smartphones. It also has 6mm speaker drivers, which is pretty standard. Now let's have a look inside the box. So now let's have a look at the contents of the box itself. At the back you can see you have some documentation, which we'll get to in a second. We have a plastic case on top, which we'll take off. We have the earphones themselves, the charging case, and some accessories in here. Let's set this aside. In here we have the charging case, which is a micro USB charging case. It's quite a tiny cable, and it also has a few extra silicone buds, so you can use them as per your comfort. If the ones that are fitted on the earbuds are not suiting your ear, you can just pick and choose between these. So you have 2 extra silicone buds and the charging cable. So let's set this aside. Now let's look at the documentation. We have a quick start guide, we have an information pamphlet, and what looks like the warranty guide. So let's set all of this aside and look at the earphones and the charging case itself. So as you can see, this is probably one of the smallest true wireless charging cases you can find. It is extremely tiny and it has a matte black texture, which looks really nice and feels really nice in the hand as well. You have the Philips logo on the top here, and at the back you have the micro USB charging port. If you open the case up, you can see that it is a very compact case and it has the little indents to fit your earphones into, and the magnetic pogo pins as well. So now let's look at the earphones. They are also tiny, so as to fit into this small case. They have an oval shape at the back and physical buttons that can be pressed, which can be used to control music playback as well as calls. You also have angled nozzles, which aid in comfort, and the silicone tips. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Philips in-ear 1000 series true wireless earphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.